Just funny though.
Yeah. As long as it goes past, like I said, where that sign goes, as long as that round lands, because I've already called the line. So the way it works in that ruling is it's not a big deal. I've already called the line hot. Everybody knows we're going to shoot, so it's hot. So the buzzer went off. Everybody knows we're shooting, and when you pull out and you do a draw early, the only difference is if it falls forward of that, like if you put it right here, that's an automatic hit. That's it. So, are you ready? Stand by. Four, 3, 7.
Yes. Coffee. It says coffee.
Are you ready?
Coffee.
Stand by.
You know, like what grown-ups have in the morning coffee.
5, 4, 3. So, inside, outside, outside, inside.
So this way.
So
Okay.
it's inside, outside. The reason why you're going inside is because you're at the low ready.
Yeah.
And when you raise it up, that's the fastest one.
Okay.
From there to there, that's the quickest movement. Then outside, make the big swing, outside, inside. Because the whole point of this game is to make as little movements as humanly possible.
Okay.
That's it. The less movements you make, the faster you are.
Right.
That's the whole trick to it. Are you ready? Stand by. Four, 3, 1.
I see what
Doesn't
you're
it
saying.
remind you of somebody that I used to know that I used to shoot with
All right.
in Titusville?
All right. Are you ready? Stand by. Nice. 3, 4, 9.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Very cool.
Are you ready? Stand by. Nice. 3, 2, 1.
Hell yeah.
Unload, show clear. You are clear. Slide down. Hold, bag it.
Yeah, it reminds me of you whenever you came to Titusville and you're just like, blah, 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 blah.
It was fast.
But we had no idea what we were doing.
All right, Carrie.
Okay.
It was fast.
It was definitely
Hey,
fast.
it wasn't